Dell docking stations, particularly USB-C models like the WD-19 and WD-22TB, are commonly affected by fan noise issues. These noises manifest as buzzing, whirring, or constant humming sounds that can disrupt quiet work environments. The most common types of fan noise include buzzing caused by electrical interference, whirring from mechanical issues, and constant humming from airflow problems. These noises typically stem from three main causes: mechanical vibrations in the fan components, airflow turbulence within the dock's cooling system, and electrical interference from power or data connections. The first step is to update your Dell docking station's firmware. Dell Command Update software can automatically detect and patch noisy fan issues. Updating to the latest BIOS or firmware via Dell Support Assist recalibrates fan speeds, often resolving issues without disassembly. This has been effective in reducing noise by up to 50% in affected units as of Dell's 2025 Q3 firmware release. Dust accumulation is a common cause of fan noise in Dell docking stations. As fans draw in dust over time, it causes imbalance and louder operation. Regular cleaning with compressed air every 6 months is essential to prevent this buildup. To clean safely, first, power down the dock, then unplug it completely. Finally, use short bursts of compressed air to clean the fan vents. Following this maintenance routine keeps your dock running quietly and efficiently. Dell Power Manager app manages docking station power settings. Try using passive cooling modes to reduce fan usage. Disable unnecessary ports to reduce the thermal load and fan speed. This can significantly decrease fan noise without impacting essential functionality. If software fixes don't resolve the fan noise, hardware inspection may be necessary. This involves disassembling the docking station to check for physical issues. Before starting, ensure safety by unplugging the docking station and grounding yourself to avoid static electricity damage. Remember that disassembling the unit will void the warranty unless you're doing this through Dell's official support. Carefully disassemble the docking station using basic tools like screwdrivers. Take your time and avoid forcing any components to prevent further damage to the unit. Inspect the fan and surrounding components for physical damage or obstructions. Look for dust accumulation on blades, bent parts, debris, or signs of wear on bearings that could cause noise. If you find physical damage or excessive wear, replace the faulty fan. This can significantly reduce noise levels. Replacement fans typically cost between $10 and $20, and you'll need thermal paste for proper reassembly. Reassemble the docking station carefully, ensuring all components are properly aligned and securely fastened. Double-check connections before powering on the unit. Hardware inspection is an advanced step that requires caution. If you're not comfortable with disassembly, or if the warranty is still active, consider seeking professional help from Dell support. Before replacing the fan, ensure the docking station is completely powered off and unplugged from any power source to avoid electrical hazards. Ground yourself using an anti-static wrist strap connected to a grounded surface to prevent static electricity from damaging sensitive components. Carefully disassemble the docking station by removing screws and gently prying apart the casing, following model-specific guides to avoid damaging internal parts. Locate and remove the old fan by disconnecting its power cable and unscrewing it from the chassis. Replace it with a compatible fan, such as Noctua models known for quiet operation and reliability in Dell docking stations. Apply a small amount of thermal paste to the heatsink before attaching the new fan to ensure proper heat transfer and cooling efficiency. Reassemble the dock by reversing the disassembly steps, ensuring all connections are secure and the casing is properly aligned. For detailed, model-specific instructions, check online tutorials from Dell's support site or reputable tech forums to ensure accurate disassembly and reassembly. Dell is integrating smart diagnostics with AI-driven apps like Dell Optimizer to predict fan failures and suggest preemptive fixes. Future docking stations will feature fully passive-cooled designs for ultra-slim profiles, reducing fan dependency by up to 80%. New models will include modular fans that can be easily swapped out for maintenance or upgrades. Sustainability trends focus on recyclable components, and quieter, eco-friendly materials to align with environmental standards. If you're uncomfortable with hardware repairs, or if the issue persists despite troubleshooting, consider professional repair via Dell's Depot service. For severe cases or units under warranty, professional help ensures proper repair and avoids further damage. Remember, DIY fixes can void your warranty, so weigh the risks carefully.